Hi everyone, in today's video we are practicalizing how to use Chrome key, and I'm going to go to CapCut, then I come to video, see the video here. I'm bringing my video, I add it up, like here, there's nothing here because I'm trying to film it. Then what I will do is I'm going to cut off here, I'm going to split here because I want to dance more before I start. I split it, then remove here, I delete, then let me play it and see. Okay, so now that we have already cut off this, I'm going to bring my overlay. I've already downloaded my video, I've already downloaded the pictures I want to use from Pixel. So what I will do now is I'll come to here, I'll say overlay, this is overlay, I click it, say add overlay, then I come to my picture. What the first scene is, it hit out something. Then I come here, I think this is the one I've already removed background. I'm going to add it up. Okay, is this one. Then click on it here. I want to make it small so that, like as this video, this thing play. Then what I will do, I'm going to put it here, carry it up, target. See, I will target when my hand go up. This is when my hand go up, so I will target it. So now I'm going to apply keyframe. This is keyframe here on these objects. I'm going to apply keyframe on this shawarma here. Let me make it smaller. Then carry it up. Keyframe, I click on keyframe. Then bring the video. This is where I flip it. Just follow it. This is where I flip it. So I click on the keyframe again. Come here, drag this thing to come down. Let's play it and see. Okay, let's play it again and see. You see? So what next will you do? You now make it short so that you can be able to disappear. Let's play it again and see. You see it? You see? You see it? Then I'm still dancing. Another one, I'm flipping another one. This is where I do another flip. So I come here, go to overlay again. I want to add another picture because I flip. I'm bringing this chicken that I've removed background. I add it. See the chicken. Still drag it up to this side. Drag it up to this side. Let me see. Then this is where I flip. Then as you drag it up, add your keyframe. Reach where you flip. This is why I flip my hand. Then I'm going to add another keyframe. Then drag the chicken down. Let's go. Let's go and see. This is where the chicken has reached. Then what will I do? Reduce this space here. Let's see. Why the chicken is not moving? Because I've used this thing to cover the keyframe here. So let me add the keyframe back. And grab the chicken. Close this thing small. Then let's see. See? Then I want to do the one that I take something, I take it inside a bag. Okay, this is one I take. I take another one. Okay. Then I'm going to split here and delete it. Because in the course of this, I'm removing it because of this video that we are doing. And I also come here. Okay, I flip it. Okay, I took this one in now. This one I take in. So what I will do here is I will bring another overlay. Bring this car. I've already removed the background. I bring the car up. Then reduce the car. Take it up. Take it up. Then click on keyframe. Come to where I took the car. This is the car. I take it from here. Add the keyframe. Then bring it down. Bring it down. Come down. This is where I put it in the bag. Add another keyframe there. Reduce it, and put it inside the bag. Let's go. Let's play it and see. You see? Then don't forget to remove your excesses so that you'll be able to disappear. Did you see it? Let's go. It's still remaining small. Okay. So let's go. You see? Let's play it and see. My hand did not go to the right place. So what will I do? I'm going to delete the key. Okay. This is it. I'm going to add keyframe here. Bring this thing down here. Then I'm putting it here. Then add the next keyframe. Reduce it and put it inside. Let's go. See it. You see it. You see it. I took it inside. You see another one. Then come down. There's another thing I take from here. I still go back to overlay. Bring my money. Add. Bring my money and add. This money thing is on our background. Then shift this thing. See it. Shift it. Shift it. Put it up. Put it up, up, up. See where I take it. Then from here, I add my keyframe from here. Then come down to where I see where my hand went up. Then add keyframe again. Then bring the money down. Bring it down. Bring it down. Bring it down. Then go again. Follow your hand. Follow my hand. Then add keyframe. Drag this to this place. Come again and put it inside the bag. Add another keyframe. Then reduce it, then put it inside. Let's go. Don't forget to remove your excesses. I'm going to remove my excess, then play it. Don't enter. locate it. Then the video is finished. Then I'm going to cut here, split, highlight it and split it, then delete the remaining one. Don't forget to delete also your end screen. Let's go back and see. Okay, I like this. Please, if you get value in this video, do well to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so that when I post the next video, you will be notified. See you in my next video. Bye.